Again, I say it in every video from now on. With these questions, it's very important that you show your working, and everything that I show is what you need to show to get full marks. They say if sine theta equals 0.93, find the sine of 180 plus theta. So for A, I'm going to say sine theta equals 0.93. So I know what the sine of theta is. Sine of 180 plus theta. So first thing I do is I determine where it lies. So I'm going to draw a little cast diagram, cast. And I say the sine of 180 plus theta. So this is 0, this is 180. 180 plus theta is there. Okay, and this will be theta, which means in my third quadrant, the sine of theta, the sine of 180 plus theta, which is my reference angle, equal the sine of theta, but it's in my second quadrant, it's in my third quadrant, so it will be negative. We already know that the sine of theta, we know what the sine of theta is. The sine of theta equals 0.93, which means this is the same as negative 0.93. So first thing is find out where it lies. What's the reference angle? What is the value? Look at B. B says cos of theta equals 0.44. Find what is the cos of 360 degrees minus theta. My cast diagram, cast. Where is 360 minus theta? This is 0, this is 180, this is 360. Okay, so 360 negative, goes in a negative direction, is in my fourth quadrant. There's my angle, theta. The cos of 360 minus theta will be the same as the cos of theta. I'm working from my x-axis, so it's the cos of theta, and I just have to look at the sign. In my fourth quadrant, where this line is, cos is positive, so the cos of 360 minus theta will be exactly the same as the cos of theta, will be exactly 0.44. So that is your answer. You need to have this. Right, question C. So I'm going to change colors. You can see what we're doing. So question C. If tan theta equals 1.72, what is the tan of pi minus theta? We're working in radians. If they give you radians, then you have to work in radians. So I have to do a cast diagram to see where this is. This is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi. So pi minus theta, that's pi. Negative means pi take away, means I'm going back into my diagram there. So this is my cast. So the tan of pi minus theta is the same as the tan of theta. So I need a sign. In my second quadrant, tan is negative. Only sign is positive, so it will be negative. I know what the tan of theta is. It's 1.72, so it's negative 1.72. Let's go to D. If the cos of theta equals 0.83, find the cos of pi plus theta. Cast diagram, 0, pi, 2 pi, pi plus, there's pi plus, so this into my third quadrant, cast. The cos of pi plus theta will be exactly the same as the cos of theta. All I have to do is check the sign. In my third quadrant, cos is negative, so it's minus the cos of theta. Cos of theta, they said is 0.83, so it's negative 0.83.